The arrival of His Excellency. The name above every other. As we mentioned, every knee shall bow. Give me a J.
J.
Give me an E.
E.
Give me an S.
S.
Give me a U.
U.
And then an S.
Yes.
Jesus. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ateke. Happy birthday to you. For he's a jolly good fellow. For he's a jolly good fellow. For he's a jolly good fellow.
Royal Majesty, King Dr. Ateke Michael Tom. Although you're not a natural ruler like my king, but you are the Sekuru of Niger Delta, and by the special grace of God, the Amayanabo of Okochiri. Other royal fathers that are here from all parts of Nigeria to witness this special event, distinguished senators, very, very high-ranking members of the National Assembly before and now, state elders that are here with us. Let me specially recognize one of our own,
What is that now?
one who is also instrumental in backing the celebrant, Alabo Abiye Sekebo. Other very special guests here, gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen. I feel very happy to be here to celebrate with our brother, on a day like this, a day when, because of technology, because of sciences, and because of new discovery, life has become too short. When you mark 40, you say, thank God. Somebody has marked 50, and by the special grace of God, is celebrating 60. So I want to thank God for his life, because it is only possible through God. If you chronicle the life and time of His Majesty, you will understand that death moves around him. And for him to stay this long, it is only God that has made it possible. So it is worth celebrating. We, as a government, it is our duty to make sure that we support our own, more especially when you are contributing to peace and development of our states. I'm happy to identify with our brother in celebrating three things. First, according to the chairman, his birthday. Secondly, the special honor that the great people of Okra and the ancient people of Okochiri honored him with. And thirdly, the one that they said I did. I didn't do it as a person. It is the office of the governor that honored him. So I'm happy to tell you that we will continue to stand with you. If there is any other elevation, maybe I would have given you today. It's unfortunate when it comes to royal fathers, it ends here, first class. So I'm giving you that one. The office has given you that one. I won't give you another one. Huh? Let me thank everyone that is here, that has come to celebrate with our brother. Celebration is very important, not because of the drink and wine and the sugar that we eat, but it's a means to say thank you for what God is doing or has done for us. And I'm happy that our brother has chosen to thank God for this special honor and is celebrating it with you people. So thank you for coming to support him. I know that the man, nobody is perfect, but in his own little way, he tries as much as he can to make peace his major gift to the people of Okra. I know I don't need to be told how much he spends to make sure he makes people happy. I identify with you. And I want to appreciate you for standing with us. Like I said, the worst is over. What we are doing today is looking forward and advancing our states. And I'm happy that you are one of my allies. Let me on this note wish you many, many more good health, joyous years ahead. Let me also wish the ancient people of Okochiri the best. While your majesty still remains, I know it will continue. If you don't have the right people, things will go wrong. I appreciate what you have done for His Majesty. God will bless every one of you. Thank you, and may God bless you all.
This is announcing the arrival of the Governor of River State, His Excellency, Right Honorable Dr. Edison Ehie, Distinguished Service Star of River State.